Hi, I'm Ken with Do-It-Yourself Pest Control. Today we're going to talk about Barricor SP. It's a new formulation from Bayer. It contains Deltamethrin, which you may know from being the active ingredient in Suspend and Suspend Polyzone. This is a new formulation though. The SP stands for solid particle. It's basically a solid particle with little shards of the Deltamethrin embedded in it. It stays on surfaces, on the top of surfaces really well. It adheres to things better even than wettable powders or EC formulations or SC formulations as well. So you'll get this nice quick availability of this insecticide to the insects that cross it. So at the lower rates that you have, this is a lower percentage, you still get the same knockdown and kill that you will out of the higher percentage products. What that does is give you the ability to apply this with no PPE. So there's nothing on the label that requires gloves or respirator or anything like that. You'll probably find that the residue it leaves behind is good for monthly or bi-monthly service, but you're not going to have such a good long-term residue like microencapsulated products. So you may not get the 90 days out of it that you're used to. But if you're doing your regular service around your house on a monthly or 60-day kind of cycle, you'll be good. Barricor is available in 8-ounce and 32-ounce bottles. The standard dose on this is going to be anywhere from 0.125 ounces to a gallon of water, up as high as 1.5 ounces per gallon. At that low rate, you'll get pretty much contact kill without a lot of residue. The high rate will give you a pretty good residual kill. The bottles are tip and measure bottles, so you tip this over to measure out the amount that you need. If there's excess in there, you pour it back. Very nice little touch to have a measuring cup on it. So take a look at Barricor. It's got a broad label. It's labeled for indoor and outdoor use. It doesn't leave any visible residue like wettable powders do, so there are a lot of nice things about this product. Take a look at it. I think you'll be happy with it. If you have any questions about Barricor or any other products, see our website or give us a call and we'll be glad to help.